Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 10. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card and select card you would like to add to your account, for example Payback. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card and similar to Loyalty Card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards are available on the homepage of Google Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.